students quickly extract meaningful themes from dozens of open-ended qualitative data responses. Try using Gemini Canvas live in class to show students how to instantly structure and analyze qualitative data. For example, in an urban geography seminar, students frequently return from fieldwork with extensive, unstructured interview transcripts regarding local heat island effects and neighborhood shading. In Gemini, select Canvas, and then add the file that contains your interview responses. Then enter this prompt. Organize this qualitative data by identifying the top 5 recurring environmental themes, categorizing the findings, and displaying them in a clear table with supporting evidence. Gemini automatically opens a side-by-side Canvas workspace, instantly transforming the unstructured notes into an organized interactive table. Students immediately see localized patterns, such as specific socioeconomic variances in park access or tree canopy density, without spending days manually coding text. To extend this idea, show your students how to vibe code or rapidly build a functional app using plain language. In the top right corner of Canvas, click Create, and in the Describe Your Own App box, ask Gemini to build an urban heat equity simulator with interactive sliders for tree canopy cover and surface asphalt. Gemini instantly generates a live web app right next to your data, allowing students to visually test how urban design changes impact a neighborhood's heat vulnerability score in real time. Modeling this structured workflow teaches students how to apply rigorous analytical structures to complex qualitative variables efficiently. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.